Sunday Morning is a prose lesson written by Savita Singh. We are going to deal with this lesson and we are going to see section 1 and 2. Let's see the speciality of Patna. Patna is one of the oldest cities in India, and you know that it is the capital of Bihar state. Now this Patna was known as Pataliputra. It is also famous for Madhubani paintings, wall hangings, bead jewelry and leather items. This city is also full of pilgrimage sites and temples. It is a sacred city for the Sikhs, as the 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, was born here. And in this lesson, the author Savita Singh says that her father was posted in Patna. Savita Singh says that she and her brother went out in their cycles. They decided to explore the new place, that is Patna. They went out early in the morning on the first Sunday. When they went out, they could see only a very few people outside. Here in this picture, you find a number of trees and the place is entirely shady. Savita Singh says that in Patna, the roads were very good and there were a number of trees as you find here in this picture. And she also says that compared to Delhi, there were no grand buildings and monuments in Patna. They cycled for half an hour. Then her brother got bored. He said that he would race her to that corner. He added that the loser should treat a chocolate. Savita Singh agreed to this and then the race began. This was not the first time both Savita Singh and her brother had raced. She said that every time they started this race, her brother would win the race and started boasting about it and would start boasting about it for days. But now she was very determined to win this race. So she says that she started pedaling very fast as she could, and her legs started aching and her skirt billowed out, threatening to hit her face. The trees on either side of the road had become so unclear for her. Her hair also started blowing behind her and her lungs were bursting for air. Soon she noticed that she was drawing level with her brother, and then gradually, that is slowly, she started moving ahead. She noticed that she was racing ahead of her brother. She could also see the corner in a haze. She was very happy as she was moving very fast ahead of her brother. But her happiness came to an end as she saw a lonely cow standing in the middle of the road. She jammed on her brakes and the cycle stopped suddenly. But she could not stop the force of the moving body. She flew over the handlebars and landed on the animal. cow got very frightened by this sudden attack and it started running. Savita Singh clung on to her for her life, and the cow started charging up the road and round the corner. Savita Singh spotted two rows of cavalry officers mounted on their horses, and they were coming towards her. They belonged to the governor's bodyguards, and she could only cling on to this animal helplessly as the frightened cow charged straight at the horses. The horses got very frightened and scattered. There was a regular rush. The cow managed to fall into the ditch and it dislodged her, and Savita Singh landed on the soft earth bordering the ditch. Meanings: exploring, traveling for discovery, imposing, grand or impressive, invariably, always, crowed, boasted, threatening, warning, blur, unclear, whoop, loud yell expressive of jubilation, glee, great delight, especially from one's own good fortune or another's misfortune, cling, attachment by hanging on with arms. Answer the following questions. There are 5 questions given. Let's see the answers for each one. Why did the family move to Patna? The family moved to Patna because the author's father was transferred there. Who was challenged for a race? The author, that is Savita Singh, was challenged for a race by her brother. Is the brother boastful? What makes you think so? Yes, the brother is boastful. He was very confident that his sister would lose the race, and so he bets him for a chocolate. Why did the trees become a green blur? The trees became a green blur because the author pedaled very fast, and it is because of this high speed the trees became a green blur. Which line tells you that the girl was faster than the boy? The line, "Soon I drew level with my brother and then gradually I moved ahead," tells that the girl was faster than the brother.